Thanks to the National Pork Board for sponsoring this video, and welcome back to Google Foods. I am cooking pork loin 3 different ways. Check it out. For today's cook, I'm cooking this beautiful pork loin which I got on my local Sam's Club. Pork loin is quick and easy to cook when done properly. This cut is a very inexpensive way to meal plan or feed a large group of people. A whole boneless pork loin is a very versatile cut that can be prepared several different ways. And today I'm cooking 3 different styles, so let's do it. The first thing I needed to do is split in 3 different sections. I got these beautiful pork sausages and I'm going to be using them to stuff the pork loin. Let me show it to you. For the first pork loin, I'm going to be stuffing it with the spiral method. And the first thing we got to do is open it up, and here's how. The great thing about this method is that it allows you to season the meat inside. And for today, I am using Guga's rub. And remember, for exact amounts, just check out the description down below. And finish it off with pork sausage stuffing. Now all we have to do is roll it up. To ensure that it will cook evenly, I decided to trussen it with butcher's twine. For the second method, I am using the exact same sausage, and here's how. For the last one, there will be no stuffing. I'm only trussening with butcher's twine to keep its shape. Then I finish them off with flaky salt and Guga's rub. Boneless pork loin is most delicious when cooked to 145 degrees Fahrenheit, followed by a 3-minute rest. Ground pork, like all other ground meats, should be cooked to 160 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that we have these beautiful porks ready, the first thing I gotta do is sear them. So let's do it. Now that we got a beautiful chart, I am inserting my thermometer to make sure that I reach 145 degrees Fahrenheit. As the pork loins are cooking, I decided to do 2 types of basting sauce, and the first one is pretty simple. Throw in some butter and bourbon. It is important to let the alcohol burn off, if not, it will taste bitter. If you don't have a gas stove, here's another method you can use to burn it all off. Got no class, all attributes. Don't know if I'm talking about me or you. Now for the last basting, it's important for you to do it only on the last 10 minutes of the cook, as it has honey, and honey will burn if you leave it on for too long. And here's what I got. Throw in some butter, the bourbon, and finish it off with the honey. Mix it well and it's ready to baste. Now we let them get to 145 degrees Fahrenheit, followed by a 3-minute rest, and chop them up. Angel, what do you think of this beauty?
These are some impressive porks.
I know, right? They look so perfect in every single way. Which one does it look more presentable to you? Which one you like the style?
I think that one looks cool because it got like the little swirl.
The little swirl? Anyway, enough talking. Let's try them. Let's see how they taste. We got 1, 2, and 3. And I want to know which one you like better. Sounds good?
Sounds awesome.
All right, let's go for it. Go for the first one. It's very juicy, everybody.
Oh, yeah. In case you couldn't tell.
Yeah, look at the juices dripping all over the board. And look, ooh, it's so glistening.
I'm going to go, man. I'm going to go.
It's glycerin. Go for it, Angel. That is a juicy pork, everybody. Oh, man. The charcoal flavor really infused the inside.
Go for the second one. Go for the second one.
The second one is even better than the first one? Really?
That one was sweeter to me than the first one I tried.
Let's see. Ooh! That one is so sweet. I think the bourbon glaze in the end really got onto that crust. Wow.
That was awesome. I like that one a lot.
That one is fantastic.
You can top this? You think you can top this?
I don't know. We gotta go for the second one. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's go, man.
Let's go. Second one. Let's do it.
Oh, I think I got a double.
Go for it, buddy. The sausage released its juice inside of the pork loin, so it kind of tastes like the whole thing tastes very different than this one. What do you think?
I think this one was awesome.
Right now, this one is winning for me. Let's go for the second one, Angel.
I think this one's gonna be the same. What do you think?
Look quite similar.
This one is better than this one. This one was good. This one was better.
This one is actually a lot better than this one. Why do you think that is?
I guess maybe it's because you have it more spread out. You have it closer to everything.
Yeah, I think that because it's so spread out, everybody, the meat really took on all the flavors of the sausage throughout the entire pork loin. Versus this one here it's right in between the middle. But this one here, the flavors of the sausage really went all the way through the meat. I think it was basting the meat as it was cooking.
Yeah.
It's very flavorful. For me, much more flavor than all of them. Now, here's the big question, Angel. Out of all three, which one do you like best?
This one.
You like the first one better?
I like this one the best.
Guys, for me, I like the very last one. The sausage taste combined throughout the entire pork loin is really fantastic. And at the same time, when you are making it, the spiral is a lot easier than this one here. And I'll tell you why. As you're stuffing it with the sausage, you might look easier because it's a hole and you're stuffing it with the sausage.
Right.
But it's not, because the sausage is not slippery, so it catches on the side. So it's a lot harder to stuff this one than it is this one. In regards to juiciness, because this one was completely cut in the middle, they are all juicy for me.
Oh, they were all really juicy, that's for sure.
These are the results, everybody. You really cannot go wrong with pork loin. It's so easy to make. You take on all those flavor from those spices that you use. It's so easy, anybody can do it. And as you guys can see, the spiral is really recommended because it's a lot easier to make and the spices really get throughout the meat. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do enjoy, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're not a subscriber, be sure to subscribe for future videos. And remember, if you're interested in anything I use, everything is in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. You cut this one, but you say you like this one. How come you cut this one?
They're all good, man.
You see, he doesn't make a decision. Thanks again, National Pork Board, for sponsoring this video. And if you guys want to learn more about pork, please check out the link on the description down below. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.